We've reached a new barometer in the heroin epidemic in our area. The Waukesha County Sheriff's Office brought this shocking statistic to our attention. In that county, as many people die from drugs as they do from car crashes. Jonah Kaplan reports.
This is the paramedics bag belonging to the Waukesha Fire Department. In here, this top tray, some Narcan. And the EMTs here saying they're using it more than ever before.
We see these people when we are called out to respond to them. They are essentially 1 foot in the grave. They are just about dead.
The first responders who answer the calls are now the ones sounding the alarms. Last year, Waukesha City ambulances treated nearly 70 patients for opiate overdoses.
It's sad that we see quite often it's a population usually around 16 years of age to 40 years old. People who certainly have a lot of potential left in their life.
This emergency extends well beyond the city limits. In Waukesha County, investigators report heroin killed at least 36 people last year. That's about as many deaths as there were on the roads.
You're going to do and say anything to fill your need. Your family will suffer greatly from this.
Detectives also say heroin is no longer the dirty drug. Users inject it, sniff it, snort it, or smoke it. The average user is 22 years old.
And who's a heroin user or an opiate abuser? You can look left and right. This isn't a back alley, paper bag holding, disheveled total person. It could be any one of us, even professionals.
Professionals made up most of the audience today. Nurses, doctors, even some other officers in law enforcement. The next big audience, though, is parents. That's why there's a special meeting Tuesday, June 3rd, that's in 2 weeks, about underage drinking and links to substance abuse. We have the information about this on our website, TMJ4.com. In Waukesha, Jonah Kaplan, today's TMJ4.
All right, Jonah, thank you. Detectives also said there's a large rise in prescription drug abuse, which sometimes leads users to heroin.